Hello guys, good afternoon once again, Architect Oliver. I prepared another set of questions for Theory of Architecture, Episode 2. And I hope na makatulong to sa pagre-review nyo. So let's start. 41. Who said, the wheel of epoch translate into space? A. Marcus Vitruvius. B. Frank Lloyd Wright. C. Mies van der Rohe. D. Le Corbusier. Answer? C. Mies van der Rohe. 42. What do you call the measurements and study of size and proportions of the human body? A. Ergonomics. B. Anthropometrics. C. Anthropology. D. Ergonometrics. Answer? B. Anthropometrics. 43. Strength, power, vitality, dignity, inspirational, emphasize height, and monumentality dynamic. A. Horizontal lines. B. Vertical lines. C. Straight lines. D. Diagonal lines. Answer? B. Vertical lines. 44. Architect of Texas Commerce Tower in Dallas, this building is also known as Chase Tower. The tower is 225 meter in height, 55-story, postmodern skyscraper at the city center district of downtown Dallas, Texas. Although it is the fourth tallest skyscraper in the city, if one were to exclude antennas and spires, it will be the third. It is also the 12th tallest building in Texas. Who is the architect? A. Richard Keating of SOM. B. Henry Cobb. C. David Child of SOM. D. Ariel Saarinen. Answer? A. Richard Keating of SOM. 45. Designing the building and spaces within it to benefit from natural light, ventilation, and even temperature. A. Passive design. B. Organic architecture. C. Passive cooling. D. Vernacular design. Answer? C. Passive design. 46. In Philippines setting, where shall be the orientation of bedroom windows? A. North. C. South. B. East. D. West. Answer? B. East. 47. Pritzker Prize recipient for 2017. A. Rafael Aranda, Carme and Alejandro Aravena. B. Pre Otto, Carmen Figem and Ramon Villalta. C. Rafael Aranda, Carme Figem and Ramon Villalta. D. Rafael Aranda, Faye Otto, and Alejandro Aravena. Answer? C. Rafael Aranda, Carme Figem, and Ramon Villalta. 48. Who said, beauty grows from the necessity, not from repetition? A. Eliel Saarinen, C. Kenzo Tange, B. Eero Saarinen, D. Tadao Ando. Answer A. Eliel Saarinen. 50. The rate of flow of air inside the building will be increased by making the outlet opening bigger than the inlet. A. Venturi effect, B. Chimney effect, C. Cross ventilation, D. Heat island effect. Answer A. Venturi effect. 51. Japanese movement founded in 1960 by a group of architects and city planners. Their aim was to ease urban congestion and expand cities by adopting innovative types of structure. A. Shukushi, B. Brutalism, C. Modernicism, D. Metabolism. Answer D. Metabolism. 52. The systematic arranging of independent of coordinated parts into coherent unity or functioning whole. A. Diagram, C. Composition, B. Organization, D. Structure. Answer B. Organization. 53. An applied science concerned with the characteristic of people that needs to be considered in the design of devices and system in order that people and things will interact effectively and safely. A. Anthropocentrism, B. Anthropometrics, C. Anthropomorphism, D. Ergonomics. Answer D. Ergonomics. 54. The following are design objectives in tropical design except A. Provide necessary increase in humidity level, B. Minimize heat gain, C. Protect spaces from insects and rodents, D. Have a good drainage system to accommodate high precipitation. Again, the following are design objectives in tropical design except the answer is A. Provide necessary increase in humidity levels. 55. Suggest repose, rest, peace, stability, comfort. A. Horizontal lines, C. Straight lines, B. Vertical lines, D. Diagonal lines. Answer A. Horizontal lines. 56. An arrangement of patterns of colors conceived of as forming an integrated whole. A. Color wheel, B. Color triangle, C. Color scheme, D. Primary colors. Answer C. Color scheme. 57. An intermediate value of a color between a tint and a shade. A. Tone, C. Tint, B. Shade, D. Hue. Answer A. Tone. 59. Uniform in structures throughout, or composed of parts that are all of the same nature of kind. A. Homogeneous. B. Harmony. C. Uniformity. D. Unity. Answer: A. Homogeneous. 60. A passionate pleading for ideas of form and spaces in architecture, flourished in the Soviet Union in 1920s and early 1930s. A. Utilitarianism. B. Radicalism. C. Defunctionalism. D. Constructivism. Answer: D. Constructivism. 61. The measurements and study of the size of and proportion of the human body. Again, the measurements and study of the size and proportion of the human body. A. Anthropomorphy. B. Anthropomorphize. C. Anthropometry. D. Ergonomics. Answer: C. Anthropometry. 62. Color which is warm, stimulating, enthusiasm, happiness, success, creative, and autumn. Again, color which is warm, stimulating, enthusiasm, happiness, success, creative, and autumn. A. Red. B. Orange. C. Yellow. D. Magenta. Answer: B. Orange. 63. In space, perception is a space that can be perceived through the sense of orientation. Again, in space, perception is a space that can be perceived through the sense of orientation. A. Visual space. B. Existential space. C. Balance space. D. Tactile spaces. Answer: B. Balance space. 64. It is where all immigrants' culture are mixed and amalgamated without state of intervention like in the U.S. A. Core culture. B. Multiculturalism. C. Monoculturalism. D. Melting point. Answer: B. Multiculturalism. 65. Describe the type of airport design layout. Please see the image. A. Central terminal with remote satellite. B. Central terminal with pier concourse. C. Linear unit terminal. D. Multi-terminal terminal. Answer: B. Multi-terminal. 66. Describe the type of airport design layout. Please see the image. A. Central terminal with remote satellite. B. Central terminal with pier concourse. C. Linear unit terminal. D. Multiple unit terminal. Answer: C. Linear unit terminal. 66. Describe the type of airport design layout. Please see the image. A. Central terminal with remote satellite. B. Central terminal with pier concourse. C. Linear unit terminal. D. Multiple unit terminal. Answer? B. Central terminal with pier concourses. 67. Describe the type of airport design layout. Please see the image. A. Central terminal with remote satellite. B. Central terminal with pier concourses. C. Linear unit terminal. D. Multiple unit terminal. Answer? D. Multiple unit terminal. 68. A radical configuration. It has path extending from or terminating at a central common point. Again, a radical configuration. It has path extending from or terminating at a central common point. A. Radial. B. Composite. C. Network. D. Grid. Answer? A. Radial. 69. Consists of two sets of parallel paths that intersect at regular intervals and create square or rectangular fields of spaces. A. Radial. B. Composite. C. Network. D. Grid. Answer? D. Grid. 70. Limit of domination. Intimate visual details in the face is not perceived and nobody touches or expect to touch another person unless there is some special effort. Distance from 1.2 to 3.6 meters. A. Personal space or personal distance. B. Public distance. C. Intimate distance. D. Social distance. Answer? D. Social distance. 71. A proxemics features of this distance is that it can be used to insulate or screen people from each other. The distance makes it possible for them to continue to work in presence of another person without appearing to be rude. Distance from 3.6 to 7.5 meters. A. Personal distance. B. Public distance. C. Intimate distance. D. Social distance. Answer? B. Public distance. 72. It is transfer of heat from one place to another by flow of molecules. A. Evaporation and condensation. B. Convection. C. Conduction. D. Radiation. Answer? B. Convection. 73. Architecture is the masterly, correctly, and magnificent play of masses brought together in light. Our eyes are made to see form in light. Light and shade reveals this form. A. Tadao Ando. B. Charles Edward Jenneret Gris. C. Kenzo Tange. D. Gottfried Bohm. Answer B. Charles Edward Jenneret Gris or Le Corbusier. 74. A fixed or movable device such as fins or louver designed to block the direct entrance of sun rays into a building. A. Brace Soliel. B. Solar screen. C. Egg crate. D. Shutter panel. Answer A. 75 refers to low-cost housing. This was set at a time when we reached for economic solution for low-value sites were considered. Again, refers to low-cost housing. This was set at a time when we searched for economic solution for low-value sites were considered. A. Utilitarianism. B. Radicalism. C. Defunctionalism. D. Constructivism. Answer A. Utilitarianism. 76. A method or manner of joining that makes the united parts clear, distinct, and precise in relation to each other. A. Articulation. B. Expression. C. Symbolism. D. Form. Answer A. Articulation. 77. The size and proportion of a building elements or space or an article of furniture relative to the structural or functional dimension of the human body. A. Functional scale. B. Mechanical scale. C. Human scale. D. Visual scale. Answer C. Human scale. 78. Refers to the rising average temperature of Earth's atmosphere and oceans and its projected continuation. A. Global warming. B. Greenhouse effect. C. Climate change. D. Ocean depletion. Answer A. Global warming. 79. He is the author of 5 Points of Architecture. A. Edward Charles Jenneret Gris. B. Charles Edward Jenneret Gris. C. Charles Edward Jenneret Gris. D. Charles Edward Jenneret Van Gogh. Answer B. Charles Edward Jenneret Gris. Guys, check the spelling. 80. What is the complete name of Mies van der Rohe? A. Ludwig Mies van der Rohe. B. Charles Edward Jenneret. C. Maria Ludwig Michael Mies. D. Ludwig Michael Mies Maria? Answer? C. Maria Ludwig Michael Mies. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching and listening to this short video. I hope na makatulong to sa pag-review nyo and good luck sa board exam. Thank you guys.